Just now picking my car up from getting the mid-muffler delete on my ScatPack. They did pretty good work here, man. If you guys ever looking for any type of exhaust work, any type of tuning, holla at Nick's Automotive, man. Definitely do good work. Definitely do good work. Here she go right here, man. About to start her up so you guys can hear it. Let you guys hear what I'm working with. Oh my God, she sounds sick. So I just got the mid-muffler delete on the Challenger, right? And to be honest with you, it sounds real good. It's not overbearing. It do got a lot of, you can hear more rumble. It's not nothing that's like, I wish I never done it, never done it, but it's really, really tolerable. Really is. Should you get full exhaust done one day? Yeah, who don't like a full exhaust? Of course. But this is something that's relatively cheap, inexpensive, that sounds just almost as better as a lot of exhausts you can put on your car. I'm driving right now and sound pretty good. It sounds real good. When you hit it real hard, that's gonna sound even better. But it just takes some getting used to. You know what I mean? Because it definitely is a lot more than what I had in my other car, in my RT when I had the RT. And this sound amazing. Like, watch this. It wanna go. It just wanna go. Right now it's in eco mode, so it's not really like putting that much horsepower out right now. It's kind of like restricted. But if I turn that shit off and put that shit in custom, how I have it in custom, and use these paddle shifters, oh yeah, she's flying. She's definitely gonna get up, no question. I'm ready to go ahead to the school. I'm gonna try to do a couple pulls so you guys can see it. It's like the very back part of the school, so a lot of people won't even be over there. I'm gonna go over here and do a couple passes so you can hear how it sounds. That's if no one's over there. Typically no one never is, but you know, you want to do something, all of a sudden people there. Yeah, that's this. So I'm gonna try to do a couple little passes over here. I try to hear how it sounds in the back. It sound fucking amazing. It sound real good. Real good. Now my neighbors can hear me coming even more now. Can't really tell. Somebody over there doing something. I don't think so. Can't tell. But a lot of people ask me why I picked this color. Something different, man. I want to be different than what people normally see. Not stand out, but I want to feel slightly different than what I normally get. All the cars I had was blue, black, or gray. Typical colors, right? And this is one of those colors where this was like, damn, it looked real good in person rather than on pictures. That's this color. Oh man, it looks amazing. Oh, I wish I'd got that color. That's this car. This color. I like it. I like it a whole bunch, man. It's definitely something, when you see it for the first time, you're gonna be like, damn, it really is dope. It really is. It look really, look. real good. So I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna walk around, show you the car, have exhaust sound while at low idle. In fact, I'm gonna put it in track mode right now. I'm gonna just put it in my settings. I normally keep it in custom. All right, I don't know if it's gonna make a difference as far as what you hear back there, but I'm gonna rev it up. Oh, it make a difference. Let me get out so I can walk around and show y'all this real quick. All right, here we go. Tell me that don't sound way better. You cannot tell me that don't sound way better. That sounds way better. Like I should have done this a long time ago.